Well, the summertime is going to be heating up, in fact, this week even. And joining us today to tell us about the Summer Crisis Program, we've got Kim Bruns, Community Services Director at West Ohio Community Action Partnership. And thanks for joining us today.
Hi, Holly. Thanks for having me.
Okay, so this program does not start till July 1st, but I assume you want people to be thinking about it and knowing how to get signed up and what to do, right?
Yes, absolutely. We're here to help income-eligible individuals and families to keep cool during the hot summer months. So that's what we're here for.
And in the past, I mean, last year alone, you helped quite a few people. So people are eligible and can get the help.
Yes, the biggest eligibility criteria is the income. It's income based, and it's 175% of the federal poverty guidelines. And so today I wanted to just talk a little bit about that, because sometimes we don't go as in depth with that. But so, like, for a family of one, you could make up to $1,954.73 a month and still qualify for the program. And so maybe a family of four, you could qualify at $3,991.44 for the month. So that gives you a little bit of the guidelines, because that eligibility, the income eligibility piece is the main thing that we use to determine eligibility.
Right. So is this if you're struggling to pay the bills, or you have been cut off? I mean, what are the other parts of the criteria besides the income?
So for most everyone, it's if you have a disconnect notice, or if you've already been disconnected, then you can come in, fill out our paperwork, meet that income eligibility, and then we'd be able to pay on your electric, on your electric bill to get your services reconnected. Also, households with a family member of age 60 or older qualifies as well, and if they meet that income guidelines. We can also help with air conditioners. So if you haven't had an air conditioner in the last couple of years from us, you would qualify for that as well. So we could help pay on your electric gas bill and also provide an air conditioner, fan, whatever each individual needs are.
Now, I know through the pandemic you've been working some online, but do you need in-person appointments for this, or how do you want people to do this?
It would just be the same that we've been doing. You can stop into our office, fill out an application. You can go online and fill out an application. And so really it's just going to be business as usual. As of right now, the state hasn't said we have to do a face-to-face. So if that changes, we do have training next week. So if that changes, we'll let everyone know that. But for right now, it's just kind of business as usual, with the same that we did for our winter crisis program.
Right, exactly. As I mentioned earlier, it doesn't start till July 1st, but it does run through September 30th. But like this week, we're going to be close to 100 degrees. What happens if someone's having problems keeping cool right now? Do you have other programs that maybe can help them out?
Generally, we do not. What we try and do is do whatever we can to help get them until the July 1st, because this is our biggest program for summer cooling. If there is a situation, we are more than happy to look at it and see if there's something that we can do. In dire emergency situations, we definitely could potentially help in another way. If not, try and find a resource in our community that can do that right now before our July 1st, because I know there's a lot of other programs out there that don't have some of the same restrictions that we do. So give us a call and we'll do our best to try and help in those situations. As
usual with so many of your programs, people just need to reach out and find out more information, start filling out the application and finding out and things like that, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, take that first step. All right, trying to keep us cool for the summer. Thanks very much, Kim, for telling us all about the program today.
Well, thank you, Holly, for having me. Happy summer, everybody.
Don't go away. Noon Edition continues in a moment.
Have you gotten your membership for the Hometown Winery